How to use custom audience in Facebook ads. If you want to maximize your Facebook ad performance, one of the most powerful targeting tools is the custom audiences. Instead of showing ads to random people, custom audiences let you retarget websites, visitors, existing customers, or people who engage with your content. This helps you lower ad cost, increase conversions, and improve ROI. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the custom audiences, from creating different types of audiences to using them for retargeting and scaling your ads. And so guys, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, before we get started, let's go ahead and understand the custom audiences. A custom audience is a group of people who have already interacted with your business in some way. Facebook allows you to create custom audience based on the website visitor, people who visited your site or viewed specific pages. You can also go ahead and do that with your customer list. You can upload email list or phone numbers to target existing customers. You have your engagement audiences, people who liked, commented, or interacted with your posts, videos, or ads. You have your app activity. It's users who engage with your mobile application. And lastly, you have your offline activity. People who've interacted with your business in person, for example, store visits, calls, and more. Now, using custom audiences lets you retarget warm leads instead of cold audiences, leading to higher conversion rates. And so, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can create your custom audiences. First things first, you want to head over to the ad management on Facebook. You can go ahead and do this by navigating on your Facebook Messenger or your Facebook website right here. And simply inside, you then want to click on the Create Audience button. You can do that by clicking on the Audiences tab. In here, once again, let's go ahead and click on the Create Custom Audience. Inside, we can then go ahead and select our sources. So once again, these sources will come from website visitors, customer list, engagement audiences, app activity, or offline activity. Now in my case, let's go ahead and say that I want all of my custom audience to come from my website. So I'll click on the website option right here. We also have meta sources if you want to go ahead and do that. Let's select something like video. Now from here, we can then go ahead and set our audience details such as the time frame and specific conditions. Since I have chosen a video engagement custom audience, it will then take me to this page right here. But as an example, if you click on this website, you will then have the ability to go ahead and put your website right here. But let's go ahead and navigate through the video meta sources. In here, you have your engagement. Let's go ahead and select something like people who have viewed at least 25% of our video or 50% of our video. It will then ask us additional questions like the audience retention, and here we have the audience name. You can just go ahead and put them right here. Right after, we can then click on the select videos, and you will be able to select your videos right here. And after clicking on the create audience button, it will then go ahead and show us this specific option. Now, as a pro tip, the larger your audience size, the better Facebook's algorithm can optimize the ad delivery. From there, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can retarget website visitors with custom audiences. Now, one of the most effective strategies is retargeting website visitors. If someone visited your product page but didn't buy, you can then show a follow-up ad to bring them back. Now, the examples for retargeting audiences is that the people who visited your site within the 7-day, 14-day, or 30-day period, users who viewed a product page but didn't purchase, or visitors who added a product to their cart but abandoned checkout. Now to set this up, you want to head over and install the Facebook pixel on your website. Go to audiences once more on the Facebook management, create custom audience, and then you want to select the website traffic like we have previously showed here. You then want to choose people who visited specific pages. You then have to enter your product URL, set a time frame, for example, last 14 days, click on the create audience. Now, you can go ahead and run an ad campaign targeting only those users to bring them back to complete their purchase. Now we can also go ahead and use customer list to target existing buyers. If you have an email list of past customers, you can basically upload it to Facebook and create a custom audience. Once again, navigate back to the Facebook ad management, click on custom audience, and once inside, you can then click on the customer list. Inside the customer list, you will be able to upload your own CSV files with email, phone numbers, or Facebook ID. Facebook will then go ahead and match the data with the user profiles. Once processed, you can target these customers in your ads. Now, the use cases is to show a specific or special discount or loyalty offer to previous buyers who encourage repeat purchase. From there, we can then use this to retarget engaged users on our Facebook and Instagram. Not all potential customers visit your website. Many interact with your Facebook or Instagram content. You can go ahead and do this by, once again, custom audiences, like people who watch your video ads for 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or 50% watch, users who engage with your Facebook page or Instagram profile, or anyone who clicked on your ads but didn't take action. Now, to create this audience, once again, navigate through the Create Audience section, click on Engagement, and from there, you then want to select the type of engagement. It could be video, page, Instagram, etc. You want to set the duration, for example, users who engage in the past 30 days. Name your audience and click on Create. Now, pro tip, this is perfect for warming up cold audiences before pushing them to buy. Now, let's talk about the best practices for using custom audience. You want to use multiple custom audience. You want to combine website visitors, customer list, and engagement audiences for maximum reach. You want to exclude recent purchases. Avoid showing ads to people who already bought your product. You can segment your audience. Retarget high-intent users differently from casual visitors. You have to update your audience regularly. Keep lists fresh for better targeting. From there, we can then measure custom audience performance. To know if your custom audience are working, track these key metrics in the Facebook Ad Manager. You have CTR, which is the click-through rate. Higher means better engagement. You have conversion rate, shows how many retargeted users converted. We then have the cost per result, which is CPR, measures ad efficiently. And lastly, we have the return on ad spend. It determines profitability. If your metrics are low, you want to test new creatives or audience segments to improve performance. From there, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can avoid common mistakes. Now, you want to avoid targeting too small audience. Facebook needs enough data to optimize your ads properly. You want to avoid not excluding converters. Avoid wasting money on users who already purchased a product or your service. You want to avoid ignoring audience overlap. Running ads to overlapping audiences can increase your cost. And lastly, you want to avoid not testing different retargeting windows. Some audience convert faster than others. Now, custom audiences are one of the most powerful tools in the Facebook ad for retargeting warm leads, converting past visitors, and scaling winning campaigns. By using website visitors, customer list, engagement data, and lookalike audience, you can basically increase your conversions while lowering ad cost. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below how you use or how you plan to use custom audiences in your next campaign. As always, thanks for watching.